Okay, 16 on the STAAR Ready for 2019 says the table shows the distance y a cheetah can travel in the number of seconds, which is x. Okay, so time and distance. Based on the information in the table, which equation can be used to model the relationship between x and y? Okay, so I can easily just take any of these x values and plug them in. And I'm going to choose, what's my easiest one? Probably this one, because multiplying by 10 is super simple. So I'm going to plug in a 10. That's going to be 5 times 10. And that means that if I get this, that means y is equal to 50. Is that giving me 50? No, it's not. So that's not the right one. And then we're going to go with plugging in 10 here. So 10 plus 5, that gives me 15. So if I plugged in 10, I should get 15 here. Nope, also not right. Here, I'm going to plug in 10. 10 plus 470 is 480. That should be, nope, that's not right. Then 94 times, and this one has to be it. And that's a super easy multiplication. 94 times 10, 940. And that's what I was looking for. Letter J.